Hey there! So, you're in the market for a new LCD TV, huh? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to share some top tips to help you make the best choice for your next LCD TV. Let's dive right in. First things first, screen size. Measure the space where you plan to place your TV and consider your viewing distance. Generally, a larger screen is better for bigger rooms. But remember, too big can be overwhelming if you're sitting too close. Next up, resolution. Nowadays, a 4K resolution is the standard for most LCD TVs. This means you get incredibly sharp and detailed images. If you come across 8K TVs, they're stunning. But unless you're a high-end enthusiast, 4K is more than enough for now. Now let's talk about refresh rates. Aim for at least 60 Hz, but if you're into gaming or fast-paced sports, go for 120 Hz or higher. This ensures smoother motion and less blur. Color accuracy and HDR support are crucial as well. High dynamic range, or HDR, enhances the contrast and color palette, making your viewing experience richer and more realistic. Look for TVs with HDR10 or Dolby Vision for the best results. Smart TV features are another biggie. Most modern LCD TVs come with built-in apps like Netflix, Amazon Prime, and YouTube. Make sure the TV's operating system is user-friendly and supports all your favorite streaming services. Sound quality is often overlooked. While LCD TVs are slim and sleek, this often means the audio quality isn't the best. Consider getting a good soundbar or external speakers to complement your TV. Connectivity is key. Ensure your TV has enough HDMI ports for all your devices like gaming consoles, Blu-ray players, and streaming boxes. USB ports, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi are also great to have for added flexibility. Energy efficiency might not be at the top of your list, but it's worth considering. Look for Energy Star rated models to save on your electricity bill. Lastly, don't forget about the warranty and after-sales service. A good warranty can save you a lot of hassle if something goes wrong. Check if the brand offers reliable customer support in your area. So there you have it. Remember these tips, and you'll be well on your way to finding the perfect LCD TV for your home. Thanks for watching and happy TV shopping! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.